morning, country people. Them today na Monday and na first day for inside week. Those were the day for side for Southwest, they did down for inside house. Meanwhile, those for side for Bamina too, the day for inside house for see. What the way the prophet he get for preaching for his church today. If God will create me and you, it be the control we, as we the control woman and picking them. Plenty trouble if it happen with we every day. And for Cameroon, when you there for inside meeting house or for inside group, any group where you get them or where you there inside, me will learn for the talk for backstage. That means me will learn for the talk for back than for the talk for inside group, because not all thing where they bring them for inside group. You feel bring some talk for inside group is scatter the group one time. But where if you be bringing them for backside, plenty member them for inside group they never know. Until when they send them for inside group, man it not understand it just enter one time answer. It cause conflict for inside group way not be normal. So those where they live for inside group, me when I learn for answer something for backstage. That means say for private number. Me will not just answer anything we enter for group for inside group, because some people and they where they fear sideway noise a day. We go start now and for say me you say you follow and fine and you say me you take your chair you sit down. Because now for LTM you go see am fine, and then you get telephone where you get for use them for talk to, because all we get for join hand for semi country it go before. May we enter now for strong number where to make news for inside Tori House. Chapter 1 na palava dirty way they can drive some family for place where they come and say petty start for Bonanjo, inside that side for Bonandale and na for Bonaberi. Bonaberi is then for inside Douala 4, and Douala 4 is there for inside Douala USSF and na for Littoral. Where to the pass they say they so dirty way in front for this place it make some family a one run house and then go different side, and they beg the council make council for Bonaberi a try for bring a camion can't carry this dirty because it not the worker for that side sick it dey plenty. Chapter 2, we could talk palava this one. Now contractor where he don't abandon work where they begin for you for side where they call them. Now for conjunct. This one now for inside conjunct where we dey, and conjunct is there for inside Nkam. And Nkam is there for Littoral. Now time where Turiman I for LTM a interview site say get for see where to in the worker. We meet up now with now those office for side for conjunct where they don't start them after they leave them inside bush. Who said the contract of the day? Now the just office that where would they see them where they for inside bush, and the person be make them is in one side and then one side he leave them. And he don't vamos, they not see you again. Now where we call person where begin work for this contractor, me try way for fine side way day, because all thing for Cameroon he get for be a fine in the proper. We go to now operation coup de poing na Colonel Jean-Pierre where he don't talk with all the gendarmes them, then come out the worker for inside Cameroon, go for side for Bafia, go for Ndiki after they reach for Makedene, plenty thing them there where they don't catch up, and where they think them too na thing them where no they find Mbanga and even cocaine, the cash gone for our side. So we the thank Gendarmerie Nationale for the good work where they don't do them. Science story for sharp morning time, it tell we say wait. Science story for sharp morning time, it talk say doc where they guide you anytime that they ever pay now with a stone. Dog where it guide you anytime ye payment it ever been a stone. Person where he send them for we, they call him Joseph Ntani. Yes, Ntani Joseph where he send them for we for site for Din. Din na village where they under Noni subdivision for site for Bui, and na for site for Northwest Cameroon. Ma Lizette a supporter for site for Motengene, and Motengene is then under Tico subdivision for site for Southwest Cameroon. Nang denge we want come back any money I a good day for television. We come back. Those where they follow we for Facebook and the YouTube, those where they follow we for YouTube, me when I try wait for subscribe, there a link so that me you be member for Inside NJANGI House. Those where they follow we for Facebook, we dey so beg them. Share the more way you dey share, now the more way people then they follow the program. Because that way you get data. So Monday you on a inside farm, where a never turn back for place where then work day. So when you share them for you could come back now, you could follow the program through Facebook and you could find. So me we share more than for comment more. Me we internet because I know say the church it don't flop. And they get for hear the word of God. And who get for say now me say self be the prophet. Because all man for Cameroon now a prophet. You turn here, church day for one room. You turn for bedroom, church day for bedroom. All they concentrate for offering, they know they concentrate for pray, for peace, for country. Another called church, pastor and prophet, and they talk and say, me will reduce the rate for churches. And me will reduce to the rate for open obliging. Because obliging and churches, they plenty for Cameroon. We don't know whether they pay tax. Chapter 1, me will internet for Palava Doti for inside country. Company for Doti we don't stay for Cameroon for long. Time where one man it be bring them, it be the work better work. Then when one man want go again for picking for country, now we Doti the flop all side for inside Cameroon. This one now for Petit Start for Bonandale and they call the place Petit Bonanjo. I see some family they way a one run compound. Leave the house for Doti because only fly where they come up for Doti place, can't enter for inside house, it make them they know to sleep. Chop, you defy chop with fly. Fly the fight chop with person where don't get your money. Now when the people in the answer say inside the walla and where company where they carry dirty, it there for the walla. They camion them plenty. Why they know the interval Petit Start for Bonanjo for inside Bonandale? It then they say sometimes they settle them before they can carry dirty man in no. And the dirty don't take one side for the field. Whenever they where people they go move Mimbo. Where they don't drink them from Monday, go to for Saturday, for Sunday they go move them. And where Sunday, now they for take a go for church. Now this. Why when I look this kind of dirty, if you never do not, you fit shop? They say no. Man of it shop. So this lawyer they talk to they so me any man where they for that side a try way for meet up company. Where they carry dirty or go meet up Mr. Mayor for Bonaberi Council. Me can't carry this dirty because he know the worker. Then say me man take sick. Better than say me man run and run. And with the social bet those way they confuse. Say they know they call this number now WhatsApp number. They know they call this number for now. Because any man know they understand. Yes. So they know they call this number. When you look and when I go see the house. Now some lawyer house, now in that play where motor park. And when the man he don't they prepare for come out leave us. And he asked them. Now say they know they pay this company where get for carry dirty. Or the company is sick. Or sometimes they don't operate the company. Now they has that. Where the man want run because he the fight chop with the fly. And we no be normal. How you go get your money after fly in the camp? We fly in a stranger. Fly the one for chop passy. We no be normal. Me we ask for this speaking for this compound. Me tell we, countryman, how will I live for inside this compound with all this dirty? Me we hear we talk. Oh yeah.
Whether na Douala this na for Bonaberi for start the Petit Bonanjo. Our houses will not be put air again. We will stay for here. People they trade the tea for our front door. They trade the tea for our front door. Fly they enter our house. So we would even sick. So we have bet all the people they stay for start the Petit Bonanjo. So may remember say people they stay for here. Council. If they give for your date, if they cancel, they may every head for move the date. Douala for council. Douala for council because they were picking the sick. Every day they go for hospital just because they we no fit even cook chop before our baranda and even take fresh air again because of it. So they really back more and early for move the date because we don't over suffer. This is the effect. Thank you.
So it don't talk when I don't hear. Now that the word council and company where they carry dirty. Another dirty again, it then have a side where they call them vertical. For back market vertical na key man pay. I'll say for back market vertical na key man pay with dirty. Since we're tico to, you know, get the company where they carry dirty. So the population of that side, they decide now, take fire, can't put them burn the dirty day. And when they put fire for the dirty, honest move where they come out. In terms of market, it makes say people that where they buy, they suffer. People that where they sell, they suffer. When you want to go for Tico market, any man knows it in a left side. Any man did look na left side because of the smoke. And smell where they smell, na kim and pay. Now where they been the people for inside Tico market, they beg the Lord Mayor for Tico Council, where they do find work for that side. Say me try for bring ye camion, can't carry this dirty, go live inside Watami, Watakari and go. The more they burn them, the more people they take in sick. And we no fine. And where it no fine at all. So we the beg person where they call and say, Mr. Ivor. Yes, Mr. Ivor, when a manager for Tico Community Radio, say me try way for Blue Talk for that on radio, so that me the people in here, if they go organize a community work, me they organize community work, so that me they can carry the dirty, they can go to them for water because if they put people them now sick for inside their body, we no fine at all. You know if you come over go buy chop, after you take money where you go for buy chop, you go now hospital. You know if you go for go sell, money where you don't take sell, where you for feed your family, you take them, go with an doctor. It not be normal. And at time this way, any man get for show work, where is sabi work for country. Because now we say we get for clean, dirty for country. Me will not just the way na council and government. Government go come, but you don't know the day we go come. But it go come. We come on now, we go now for Jingang Village. Jingang Village is there for inside Konjok, and Konjok is there inside Nkam. Nkam is there for littoral, and littoral is there for Cameroon. When you look and you see say so, the people on the outside they don't respect the building. They don't be for corner road because they know say small time road go pass. Even Cheferie, yes, palace, is there for corner. Chief USSF don't vex, say this thing don't pass it. Hospital where governor don't give money for contractor for go bill am. He go start the bill am, he go reach for some level, USSF a pass it. Now when we ask them whether they so, now the money when they give them, it go short for road, or what it be the problem? We know the system, the contractor for ask the question. We know the see the worker and where we take them, where we pay them for work this work. And person where we give this work for the contractor, the person there for outside. For 5 side where contractor don't leave work, he go. Now money this way we don't go bill and inside bush. And where some village they way in the wet, say me they can be even a clinic for your own village, you know this year. But lucky for people that was Jingang village, they get their own hospital, but it is not inside bush where they don't abandon them for inside bush. And all for inside Konjok. Plenty villages and there where they don't be hospital for day, but it is for inside bush. Some they not get doctor. See money where we don't take them. And see where the money there now. You could not say that's why we don't confuse. We don't confuse for country. Because for give contract for person, we get for credit commission where you go to follow the check contractor whether they come work or you know they come, whether work the worker or stand one place. But when we give contract for person, we find place they sleep. When we give contract for person, we know they go do the work. And sometimes they give the contract money where they give them, they don't see or don't finish concord time before one reach contractor in hand where all things don't finish and where not be normal. Where not be normal. So population for Jingang. They vex, say they so, no so, they will expect say it could be. But the way I see am na way, mop it could talk am so that me hear a year. Fine. Me we answer am for I for LTM, where it dey for side for Konjo. Countryman, waiting. You don't see am for side for Jingang, where you know the worker. Oh yeah, we hear you.
Ici am so, this one na centre de santé intégré for Jingang. Since we more than 10 ans, we them don't start this centre de santé intégré. We them don't abandon them. We see how them don't abandon them. Them don't abandon them. No one man. Since we the man we he be take the market. Since we be go, he don't build them. So after he leave them, he go ye. Now you we population with the house. C'est vraiment donc government. We them don't give that man this market, them don't know place where it is. Now na population for Jingang it is suffer. population for Ndokuma, it is suffer. Population for Ndogumban, it is suffer. Population for Ndomalang, for some, them they suffer. And one with them they for Puanga. If it is centre de santé, it be worker. I sure say like plenty people with them they sick for day, them the first come for year. Before them reanimate them now, before them carry them, go for Bafang, who carry them, go for Douala, who carry them, go for Bafusam. Now you were with the house government. Don't them not know this man with the begin the market? Since we don't shene and when I see he don't start sharpen. After he don't grab you go. He don't leave him so he don't fall. We people from Konjok, we did that so we dey cry, we dey suffer. Forget santé. Now you were with the for us. For Papa Paul Biya, we own president. Now he the command we. Now he the big doctor for Cameroon. Now he the all thing. Papa Paul Biya, here we cry. Here how you picking them they cry. For the kind of money so with them don't come hibam. With them never finish them. Eske that one he find Papa. Now you we population this also cry. Say patra for talk. Say them can't finish the work. For the say people them they suffer plenty. Them they suffer plenty with Papa Paul Biya. Now you with them there for Christ say you must try and we government them must find the man will be get the market for make say he finish them. For the say na contribute Cameroonais na money where we the pay ticket we the pay tax. Now you with them don't take them and now them no place where the man they that one is the question. Papa Paul Biya try for see we on problem for Konjo.
Je connais comme précédé du village NJANGI installé depuis le 15 février passé. Et quelque part dans mon village, là, il y a un centre de santé qui a été construit. Il y a de cela près de...
Now work with LTM in the worker. Just see him, not see him, because when your eye go see him, you go know now say this. So we need plenty things for do him for inside this country. When we show him, they go fix him. But when to remain not show him, it go also remain as we never see him. Inside Konjok town, just office for Konjok, where they begin for contractor again. Yes, except he don't work, he on work, he go rich for play when money don't finish, he live and for day, he go. No man, he know they ask question. Now in that, man go see something for the country here. Me will go see him. Within our inside Konjok center town, when I hear life, it is sweet. Any business man, he then have this place, and Konjok, he be there for Konta. Yes, they don't tie road for inside Konjok town. But now for come for Konjok going for Bafang where trouble a day. Now the just office for Konjok that. We don't can find. Now just office where it don't pass even 10 years. Since where they be build and can't even have way, we know they see contractor, we know they see workers, we know the no person where we give the contract. So just office now, Joe don't turn a tree. Where is the inside? Question. Where did it really pass for Konjok people them? Because our village, it get problem for that side. You look up, this side the countryman don't Bilam, Zinkam. But the other side, the main side where na Jove he on office and reception and place where they go to put all archives, all it did now inside bush for now. Like that. This LTM television will come up outside now marginally bring this television. Marginally now bring up. Where it want make a me when I know think them plenty for inside country. Where you know the worker and the one with the worker. Like that. I say like that. Now those officers where they show say so if SDO a one visit Joe for site for Konjok, sometimes they go sit down for bar. Sometimes they go sit down for bar or Vombo house. Now here where with the social pastime for ask them say who they give all this contract. And then again of who? The book where they write their name for day, the book it don't lost or it don't burn. We begin to go inside the register. Look at whether now who it will take this contract for be those office for Konjok. Hold on. all the zinc is never very rotten. When I see her, and they say that's not only contractor of picking of a country. That means say not picking of a country, they spoil work for country. If they begin of a stranger, sometimes they don't finish them. And they give a stranger, contractor them whether picking of a country, they go so give complaint. They give for them, they live for inside bush. It be normal country people. And they ask when I go upside whether this thing it be normal. Huh? This LTM go show when I wonders. Now 10 the way with the talk say when 10 o'clock it reach, go for sideway television there because thing where you go see him, you know go see him for some side. Like that. So just office for side for conjure, a then for location for some man. Then they rent now some company. Yes. So they come. This one now some company he has when they don't decide now go choke Joe for inside. Bye Cameroon. This thing when I make a some man they check plenty thing them. So finally now, who go fix the country? Not me and you. But when they give we contract, we spoil them. Is correct? Me we still ask I for LTM for side for conjure. Countryman. I hear say just office for that side. Is they in the conquer in the proper they don't finish them. Contract don't do a work or you never do them. Me we hear from you now you did it. Fire.
Now this one a nouvelle sous-préfecture for Nkonjo. And since we them don't start for building house, the man we don't get the market, he don't run you go. He don't run you go. We don't know place where he dey. And me I just have the question say, est-ce que man we begin the market? He don't know place where he dey. Now more than 10 ans, we don't abandon him. So he don't do sense or other sharpan to. When I see he don't sing other place he don't sing them. All that kind of thing them. Now you with the house government. Say vraiment, time with them begin market. Them not know person with them begin market. Who them the get so market for second say we dey come be. Na you with the house Papa Polbia. Na you dey na premier magistrat for Cameroon. Na you the first man for Cameroon. Papa Polbia. This kind of money where people them they come chop, them abandon them, them go. We go talk say wait. If it not be na only you, where you go talk, where people them go here, where you go and sue minister, where minister go here. Una see sous-préfecture from Konjo. Una see am. Una see am. Una see am. When I see sous-préfecture from Konjo, the whole big arrondissement from Konjo, when I see sous-préfecture, when I see them, where since where the man we don't take the market, he don't abandon them and he don't go. Now you with the house government say now money for contribute Cameroon where them don't come fix them. And now you with the house say man we don't give the market. If I say government follow you and say he can't finish, this is what we people from Konjo and the one for Cameroon where them will come for come shout them book, say them meet up say the place is fine.
Wonderful. See, dans le sous-préfecture, we some man don't take from 10 years to today. You don't know say that man who don't die. Once every day, then call you say, we can continue with work. The man we do wonderful. Dans sous-préfecture, there's no that house way sous-préfecture can be without now for the sous-préfecture they just know. We been really down to build the house like they did for the man we pray chef d'etat say merci the call that man say continue work. Konjo no more compare a day for Cameroon. We do the wonderful day. We man the talk work and not finish. Then Konjo no more compare no day for Cameroon. And once a damn man come and make say what go before.
Where chief he don't talk. Now chief for that place that we don't talk. So me when I know say he don't reach for level. We go so the find them, they show for now. And they must fix up, and when they fix up, we must show when back. Me we come on now, we go now for Mars2024 for inside noon. This one na office for those where they give we life for country. For Dumont for their office, na cable way with the same down. And now for central town for that side for Mars2024. Since I wake cable don't come out, only for corner their office. And it return for down. It don't be for them for more than 1 month. Yes, it go in a direction for Mosque Central for site for Mars2024. And population they ask questions say, how cable could come out for inside office? Or for corner office, it dey for down for 1 month. They say that they can't cross the cable, go open office. When they don't finish work, they can't cross again, go back for that place. It be normal. It be normal. Me we hear where the man they talk. Now I for LTM for that side for Mars2024.
Cable is down for more than 2 weeks, and it is in the market, as you can see. So here we don't even know what is going wrong. You can see the electric pole down, the cables down in front of any office here in Mars2024 for more than 2 weeks. Almost getting to a month. You can see the cables down in front of any office. Mars2024 this center town, see electric pole and they down. And the one see now for inside market people and they. So this side na big road this. Mutu in the past now on top the cable, even machine bike in the past now on top. See how they tie up na play the road they get one. They tie up. And the funniest thing now say this place where we not see now the central most this for center town. Then center town, and if you want to go from that mosque and the route where electric pole there, then only in front of the office, a near office, this a near office, just around the place where the cable is down. And not only this one, most of the cable they are down. So when they do na scoop again and they play with them, where they just been down for the same place.
Okay, so when I don't hear with the back, the company where they give light for people and for that side for Mars2024, me then try for fix them. Me no can burn person or key person. Me we come on now, we go for site for Baminda. Baminda main market, they were it be cash fire. Turiman it be day. They were first rent it before for that side. Now where they call Turiman say, who say you day? I say I for LTM, Josh Eto it for that side. Now anyway, we go reach for Baminda main market. After we fire don't burn, business people that kako, they leave all the dirty for inside. And when now council, it began to come carry this dirty so that mean the place it begin clean. See dirty where be there for inside the market. When I see that, and now people that can't put away don't burn. Water where they come out for that dirty, it can't enter people that shop. When you just put your foot for that dirty, it go scratch you like for 1 week. And now see where you don't carry them. We be back city mayor for site for Baminda. Say now I walk that where you get for walk up. And we be talking some mayor them for site for Baminda. Me then try to for the clean market them. Because even the market for that side for Telecom, business people then too be don't vex. Say they don't bring price for shop them for up. And for Baminda main market, we don't hear say they so that they add price for shop them. And where people then just come out for loss their shops when a fire burner. They see the add price. When they add and so government for Cameroon, they know how many they don't add them for shop rent. When they get for population, so that means governor for Cameroon, a list them for down. Say one shop now so, and then count the shop them. Know how much they could receive now for site for Baminda. But they add the price now for down and for backside. So the population for that side they vex. When I see I'm the market master seal, say they so person where they get the shop. They don't add the price again. Say they so they don't add 15,000. The person is say wait, where they go add again price for shop 15,000, and the money they go for outside. Money they go for outside where they pass on the time for the great meeting every day for council. Meeting every day for council. Money where they be taken for fixed town. Then the other towns them, but they take them past time for make a meeting, and we no be normal. In those days. When you be working for Baminda, you enjoy. But now, Baminda don't scatter. We get kind people that only for name. I be this, I be this, I be this. When I know the fixed town, when I pass time with meeting. Meeting not they pay no nothing. When I don't take 6 years for make meeting don't fix waiting for Baminda. Nothing. Then wait to them and not show them. When I know where to happen, me we see them. They don't fix the market now. Like that. Now Baminda main market where we catch fire. That way to the man, it don't hit fire. Pump 'em, blue top. Now in that. They don't start the fixer. And they don't put na green zinc or na blue. So they put a thing where they call say solar system, where they show say this, so the business people them, they go one enter back for that shop with Lambo. When that light is cut, they go also get light. That means say the city mayor, it don't last year talk way, him brother, he don't talk for you for 2 years. Yes, that's what we get for this country. If we know the show and they're not going to fix up. So today man don't decide you answer anything where it will work for your own side, make a me get them. You go see how they go transform the thing, me fine. Now my own way for fix the country. Me I be who for inside the soap. Nothing. But we do now work for God. And now God, he don't send we for can send the message. So now Bamina main market now, when I see say the face don't shine, dirty not the show again because they don't carry them. Yes, they don't carry the dirty. So Bamina main market now is sweet. Yes. So city mayor, me I give you cafe. Yes, just begin to follow the program every day. Think we see more time I go show na road them for Bamina. So that me you start the fix them because Baminda not get for scatter as they don't scatter. Although commission be the way they get for be Baminda town and then be a combatant. But commission whether they don't die, man no. May we come over that one now, we enter another one. Road where they come over side for Baminda, go reach for that side for Ndop. Pass for Ndop, reach for Wainama. Pass for Wainama, reach for that side for Jakiri. Come on Jakiri, go reach for Tageja before carry for side from Bamkikai and for Squares and for Mbo and for that side for place where they call them for Tatum before a go reach for side for Ndu. Now they do this where we be shown for 2023 and it will be on number 21 day for March 2023. Since for Cameroon we done the year 12 with the year 13 and we be Thomas we get for see before we believe and when I go see. We be shown. And now we don't show them again. Now new images. Yeah, na petrol station for side from up. They say na petrol way, it come out now for neighboring country. And they don't accept them, they sell them. Correct? Because if they don't accept, it go bad. When I look the road, when I look and find, when I see say this so, the population for site from Kambe, for Noni, for Oko, people that for Kumbo, where they pass there for go Baminda, they for danger. See how they don't crack. And the specialists that they tell we say they so rain will go fall for 2024 could be na Kimampe. The road be don't collapse for 2023. We they sing and they sing a song. And they need semi they put guitar, sometimes they hear. And then the West End person die for inside this place. Motor they don't fall for yesterday, but it is also man not die. We debate the population for 7 up. Me they look stone them, put them, so that driver when a new person for inside for the road, he go see the stone them, he go know say something he there for front, or something there. But when I don't live and so driver when a new person, he go come he fly, small time he go meet up himself inside that hole. We the one now waiting. We the went for credit commission for can give envelope for person where he don't lose the family member. When I look up, heavy rain could fall and this road could cut into two. And when it could cut into two, now that time we will find another way again for so many people in the past. When big check said they so they will create another road all over corner. Yes. We go past a corner, leave this place, so that mean they fix up. But they not go do and so. When it go cut, now that time where that sense could come for head. Pa, you say you should not for corner this place. How you feel when you see this big hole? Talk me here.
I feel say before now they don't do the big things because year before last I will take the complaint because all we be there for this crisis. You want the fear say you want to talk to me, you want to talk to you home and that and that. I go for fund, I follow positive fund. I tell fund to this to collapse. You see how they go do this. Fund get order for quarter. So the quarter they come see what they feel do. It's not there around. So quarter can't look at the not fit be above them. Then funds call back. Come out with the same deal for me. The Jews become the Jews central and the SGO they become here. all the government people there. So I take them, I show them the I go opposite the road.
Yes, that place, yes, the place was broke, yes.
So they told me that they will come bilang. It surprised me, did not have bilang. Then I will show alternative road check with the full set part. So they will come to my house, I will show them. But then if you go down the road, there's a new road down there. I show number 2 for them today. So they become the gate of my dirty street in front of my house, go down from that place. But for inside rainy season, mud. You worry for down there. So most of the come now, if they're going around, so come up for this. Any big vehicle, you're going around, so come up for the other side. Yeah. So now, I don't know. So they still come again, I take them, go shoot the other road for them, for different road for slow, it will be possible. Yes.
So
it don't pass my power. I will talk this road. Now government get weak. If they happen now, so this road don't, if the road cut, we don't be blocked. We don't be. I don't know how we do.
And at the road with the link Banso,
yes,
Bamendan Kambe Banso.
Yes. If you cut now, we don't just finish. So at the big government, really come, they can see this. They can see it because if the heavy motor part on top of the half push the also, it will collapse. And from now, when to start now, so you want before June, this place will collapse. But God don't just hold it to so it will collapse. If you see, I plant trees of that place, now for hold hold that.
Yes, the ground for there.
Yes, because if you see, but they don't come from that. If you see this, now corner this, they don't come so straight.
They just come, can't land up inside the valley.
Not for here, so plenty time. The man never died today. You see, so that if they go take something for here. I don't go for Diogo, complain and put speak bridge for my door. When you can't stop here, when you go school. You see the speech for here, you go sorry. And if motor come this so down for this particular.
Thank you, Pa.
See now picking and that they go for farm after they don't finish for school, so they get for go help their mommy for farm. But if they want come back with that place, it don't cut, they go do how. So with the back, the population for side from the first, may they first find some stone or carry something block the place so that person no come that inside. I be first time when I say this, so it happened now for a brigade for Balamba. Ha. And say Colonel Jean-Pierre, he don't go for that side for Bafia. Gather all gendarme for that side, he talks a work, he get for start. Since we're 20 men, he dey only for we knows. And plenty thing them, he dey where they happen. When he say, we look inside. Yes. Now Legion Commander, now that Legion Commander for Central Region, now that where they call say Jean-Pierre. So he don't talk to them, so bad thing and they for side for Makedene, for Bafia, and for some can place them. Even for Dick in the Miniki, now in this way they talk, every first day for side for Douala, they don't transfer it for this side. So he talks to them, so any mommy or papa, where they keep picking where the thief, time don't reach where they go expose you. Now time this way they will take direction for go for side for Makedene and for Dick in the Miniki. It not be easy. I say it not be easy. Operation don't start. Operation don't start. Nambanga, cocaine, tramol, where this countryman is the blow top. And the operation they pass now 9 nights. They not be one make a man know. So they tell them say this, so this time around, you no get for 500 for person. But look now where they sell inside house. They cash gun them. I say they cash gun them. Even for that side for Ombesa, they be going for that side. Yes. Mialo, they go in for that side too. They say they so, come. Where to Papa they sell inside house. Population don't come over sharp morning time. When I see them, now population this way they don't catch them. Where they be victim. Okada the way they see them for night, kill even the driver, then catch them. See only long knife. See gun the way they get them. When you check, they shoot you for night. Pram, they know the waste time. Mbanga, 500 francs. They catch money 254,000 francs. Now see them from Bangarat, and when they say all this one, they take like more than 10 kilo. Where 1 kilo, get for bill 100,000. Live on your countryman. This man, go show kind thing. Now we neg it. Come back. So, country people them, now the one that way will be get time. Tomorrow, we go reach for brigade for Pompomre, for site for Garwa. For see fake army, where they don't catch him for that site. He say, he be being a military man. Last, he say this so, he is suffer and suffer. So he decide to come up for inside suffer, for go live free. He forget for no say he don't come up for fry pan, he go reach for fire. So he the thief Okada. He get a gun. When he point him for you for night, any capital where you don't keep him for us, you will go give him for you. So na brigade for Pompomre, with Commandant Abakachi Seidu, alias Kalach. Now he says don't do that fine work. So we go internet for calling. I dey beg any person. I dey beg any person where he get for participate. Follow wait the way we need them. Hello? Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is Chief Nambe, calling from Bangladesh.
Yes. Chief Nambe, where they for place where Coco now don't climb for 5,000 for 1 kilo.
Yes.
10,000 the other side.
Yes.
Wait till
thank you very much. Yes. I thank you very much for that building from Konjok.
Yes.
Where you stop. You see any man now, they follow na CPDM. They not they follow CPDM because the party overfight. If they like NJANGI has, well, not she down there, they bring 10,000, any man they take it on. You seal your mouth. Say no talk. Then the 1,000 where remain now, they go outside. They say so. CPDM are the best party. For Bangladesh here, we get some prison yard where they be called and say production prison yard. Who be take up? Na senator. If they now they say like that for conduct. Now only say one will get time to go video and sell them. So that you see thing where the talk say are true. Because I am responsible of what I'm saying. You can't inside central town for Bangladesh. Now that they construct place where they don't construct them. During the time of Mayor Way, if they don't go for 23 million, they did it now again for fixer. You see, said there is money in Cameroon, they will get what we call total mismanagement. If they fix that place, may water no enter Catholic Church for Bangladesh, they must dig that gutter them too. Move all down Gongo where they call the container, where they get for road disgraced people, so that the volume of water where they come up, if you go play where it's supposed to go. Thank you for understanding.
Thank you, Chief Ndape, for side for Bangem. We tell another call again. Countryman, come good for 2 hours. Ebi the beep na beep. The beep again for Cameroon. 650608498. Where till you get for talk me, you talk now. Yes. Where till you get them for talk now where you get for talk. No after the program. Hello, countryman.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, I can call for whom?
Yeah, you're on them now. Where or now waiting?
Now, Batum.
Yes, where till you get for tell me, sir?
I want to talk about Womb Road. Now, say, NJANGI don't forget we go home.
No, we never forget when we be here say they don't fix the road, no, countryman.
That road never fix. That road, if you see, I'm towering. That road never as it get to be. No government look we want the man start that road. Chop them for womb plenty. Now we have to pass over to get them. Would you see pay plenty money go come up? I mean that come reach home.
Okay, we don't hear. Yes, we could follow up. Yes, we could call Mr. Abubakar. We na I for LTM for that side for Bafman. He could come for that side. Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning, time for me.
Yeah, now me time for me from Bonso.
Yes, where till you bring them today?
Yeah, I want to talk about that road where it pass for Bamenda and Dr. Kumbo and Kame.
Yes.
If that was called, you know, say we preach on life for this side all again, they don't finish.
Ah.
So the best they may come and go into that talk, them very serious. And me, they look to people when they're there around that place, because when we do the run for that, they do speech. So the police here, people when they're there for that area, me, they indicate, me, they look some students with some things that indicate, me, they not say problem there for front. I think, if not be so, we lost some soul, and Cameroon have them. We now we don't know who we feel also for that place. But thank you, General Moko, for that your word.
Thank you. Hello, countryman.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, morning. How about you now? Hello? Hello, countryman.
Yes, hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who they call the person then of which side?
I call from Bamenda.
Yes. How about Bamina this morning time?
No, Bamenda, they're fine.
Yes. Where do you go for talk?
I want the contribution, but talk about the road. Say they don't throw away like my brother. He don't just call you for talk. Say they don't throw away for road. You say they don't fix them. They fix them when?
No, we've lost immediately the fix and for that side, countryman.
They never fix them. They never fix them.
So with the wait me when I say self, when I go video the road send for we.
Okay. We don't hear Yangi has Usaluna.
Yes, thank you. We take another person again. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, countryman.
Good morning.
Did he call you say Alaji Bruno? Alaji Bruno, we don't forget your brother. When I see now so Cameroon there, now my brother this. They don't make this and never see me.
I beg you, MOKO, send me something for job. Better do this.
Huh?
Send me something for job.
Well, Alaji, you. Where did my brother? Anyhow, where they now God did see all things. Alaji have a shoe man, no? No, it go day. Wait, it go day. You know the jam now?
Okay.
You know that when I get country.
I see the road.
Man go do how? If that road cut, man no go see village again. Yes, now Alaji Bruno. Hello, countryman. Hello? 650608498. We salute all man for side for Kovlo. And we salute to those where they did the other side for a place where they call them from Benin. Hello, countryman.
Good morning, General Moko. Happy New Week.
Thank you. Who they for line and where they demand the call?
Taximan NJANGI for Boya.
The cleanest taximan for side for Boya. Wait till you don't bring them, countryman.
Thank you very much, General Moko. I like that way, that one they don't catch this drop the way the boy they take us so they banga. Too much. I've been happy, so now they travel, move all the believe the drugs they make them picking it, they go and stay, they want to beat each other, so beat them. If they dress in there, because if we give an image of 2035, we give an image, even our fashion, our dressing, the way they dress, beginning the dress now, beginning to walk naked, to wear the worst. So at the prison, more police and Shannon, they made a travel, they catch it, begin them, shifting their head. When they beat, the one they don't dress sign, they beat them very well for street, so that they would let stand General Moko. Yes.
You know, say some men will be there for Douala 2, for New Bell, where we don't start say that they catch woman them with short skirt. And then the time where they start to catch them, instead Gina road for people them for chop. Some people that where they will catch them, they will catch and take their money, release them.
No, if person General Moko, if they catch them, they go look at them. When a person come, they say go for treasure, they go pay the amount. If I take the second show of police, that money going to go for treasure for fun. At least going to help Cameroon. And when they catch you, go log you. When they come, your person, they say, go pay for them, bring on you the street, remove your person. That's it, go walk.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Smith.
Hello?
Who do you call the person there outside?
I call Mafenda.
You know the name?
I'm Mr. Smith.
Yes. What you never tell me for 15 seconds, sir?
I want to thank you so much. I don't try to call this book. I don't get to I don't call and get to I want to thank you. I will contribute to the book. I will thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Where you want call when I come out for Corner Television? Any man we want call me come out for Corner Television. so that me we get thing where you dey talk. Hello, countryman.
Hello?
Good morning. How are you, no countryman? Huh? Yeah, Mr. Sule for Akko, come good for LTM. Where do you go for talk?
I thought about them, but when I take them, they don't do fine. They don't catch them, they don't do fine.
Okay. We see how when I say when I be celebrate for grandstand for Akko yesterday. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning.
If you will come out for corner television, it could make sense.
Okay, I don't come on.
Yes. Who they call the person there for which place?
Okay, that's Dr. Johnny Henry, the call from Boya.
Yes. We'll hear you 20 seconds, sir.
Yes, I want to talk about this issue for Boya. I don't too much.
Yes.
This way, President Boya one Boya. It's been a one Boya clean every month. But now, time to a Boya one Boya, they put them 2 times for 1 month. First Wednesday and last and third Wednesday. Now, they don't remain constant. They don't stay for Boya. Passing the first time. Go my 70 was the enter Boya. Don't for GTTC get the don't the whole place. Go for Kona Lisebo Muliko. Don't the whole opposition and Transbanka College. So Boya don't to miss. They are the smell passing in the
Thank you. So we go try way for send we correspondent for that side may get we dirty way. They talk about we don't talk about road where they will get for Macam. Yes, Daniel Nge will be chasing sometime go tell we whether they don't mark the road, we never hear. So Daniel Nge wait till they pass for that side. When I don't fix when I road, they don't mark am. Hello?
Yeah. Good morning, sir. I'm Mr. Claude call from Ekono Titi.
Yes. How for that side, sir?
Ekono Titi just get as it is.
Okay.
One talks of wonderful thing because one road will not feel worker for road again.
Again?
Will not feel worker for road for come from Soteri for Ekono Titi.
Huh?
When we show government, it shows say don't do road. You want come for the road, you not see anything for the road. People they cry every day. For you want come on Ekono Titi reach for Kumba. They pay 10,000. Some people they pass nada for what because they road not. Our government too, you know, we hear what cry. They show how they don't go cash, banga, they cash this, they cash that. Because in a place where they would take money, but do the job. Now a place where they will make citizens the worker fine. Make citizens they come out for their house, the worker they go reach for the other place. They know what do them. How we would cry every day.
Thank you. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Who they call the person then on both side?
I did call from Bafman.
Yes. Wait till you get for tell we 15
I
seconds.
won't complain. That bridge of Bafman there so it don't spoil finish. When you see in the car.
Okay.
So if I would tell them make them fix with that bridge because long Carina he doesn't pass on top the bridge again.
Why when I say nothing make video send them for we when I they talk we know the see them. It no make no sense. When I want look all this video where with the show and so now the people them for the community they send we videos. You know say we know if come out Yaounde for fly can reach for that site for Bafman. Hello, countryman. Hello? Okay. Mr. Sylvester, ESSF the West time we get for take different person. Yes. Last caller so that me we come out here. Yes. They say me we see that Dio's office for site for Konjok. Yes, Dio's office for Konjok. Okay. We take some man for that site for Bafman. Hello, countryman.
Good morning, Papa General.
Morning, how are you?
Oh, we thank God. Avona.
Yes, we did now Mr. Abubakar for site for that side for Bafman. Wait till you get for tell we countryman talk quick time long casually.
Wait till I get for talk. Now, man, where they can't trade that dirty for it. Don't major take a lemon, walk farm for day. Chop go plenty for day.
Huh?
Yeah, they walk farm for that place. Cover and ground, plant corn or Irish potatoes, you go grow fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
The mango, yeah. Thank you for that side. Me will take another person. Bonus call. Hello? Good morning.
Morning.
Who did call? Voilà. You see, I'm bonus call. Sometimes na network. Network they disturb now. Mr. Na, the one now who again? Hello? Hello.
Hello.
Morning, oh. No, Mr. Jonathan don't fail. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, how are you now?
Fine.
Who did call the person then of outside?
Papa.
Seattle.
Yes.
How about Bafang today?
We there first.
Okay, what you want to come? We hear you.
I want to talk about for Baminda.
Yeah, that road way don't cut for up.
Yeah, the president government tried to start because we talk of Palava or Baminda. Instead, Naruto way for a better to take up the new first way for fix that.
Okay. Thank you, plenty.
Thank you.
Salute all family for we. Yes. So the program don't finish. Me man no call. Me will go now for school. Yes. We get some bridge where we will show them for country people then tomorrow. For come out for Bafut for go for whom. Yes, when I will see some bridge where it don't spoil. Camion for pass for it take a whole day. It go na small. Yes, it go na small. So what you when I get for do? What you when I get for do so that may we understand when I suffer. When you take your phone, where something it is disturb when I for village. You hold your Android phone when I look my hand. When I look sideways phone day. When you hold and so, you make video. And then you send them for we for that number. When I see the number, now WhatsApp number. When you hold your Android phone so, that means you don't hold them fine. When you use them, video anything send them for we when we show up, it come out fine for television. But if you hold on so, you video something, you send them for we. If we show them, it could divide television into 3. You could see them now only mingling so. We no fine. It could be a shame for you. Until they bridge or road for side for whom. When I take video, when I make sure say me when I say when I talk for inside the video, me man stand, me the video and me talk. Because when I video and send them for we, now we the cry when a problem again, we not be normal. So we the beg say this so Abubakar, when I for LTM for that side, he could try for follow him, forget the will place them for that road for whom. So that me we beg brother Honorable Walang Richard when ISSF be MP for that side, he could try all and all for fix them because now my way ISSF they try for say me people them they free and me they be fine. We retain the mayor for that side for Nso, yes, for Kumbo. We retain the mayor for side for Jakiri, and we retain the mayor for Nkor Council. We retain the parliamentarian for Noni, and we greet the mayor for side for Ako Council and the parliamentarian where they do fine work for Grandstand yesterday. We return the eye for LTM, Mr. Ndokata, we did for that side for Ako. He watched the program now. We did salute to the mayor for side for Mr. J and the parliamentarian. We not forget to the parliamentarian from Kambe. Time for me, Jedan Gala and mayor. We na shame for Musa, where they do fine work for that side, and we not forget Mr. Alaji Bono, where they for that side for Ndu, we na mayor too, and Manami, we na parliamentarian, they work for that side for Semi Altin Waka. We salute the mayor for that side for Mwa, and parliamentarian with the great all man for that side for Baminda. We salute all those where they did for Central Region, and those where they did for side for Kribi, for side for Douala. We great all man and the militant them for CPDM where they will celebrate their day yesterday. No fight, no place. So with the glad plenty and with the talk say play off for Ndambadem, it work for all stadium for inside Cameroon and it work in the proper so problem the so with the time Mr. Francois when I said be the match bot team for this program today and with the tongue Landry Sewe where USSF concentrate for Facebook and I be there for camera today. They call me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon where they work on our broom for sweep me country is shine so that me know the smell. We dey salute again Alaji Baba, yes, Alaji Baba, where they watch the program and Alaji Bruno. Yes, Alaji Bruno too way there for corner. He follow the program with family. We salute to the family. Say Otin Kowaka. And we salute to person where they come and say na Dr. Abdul. Yes, Dr. Abdul Karim. Sawai. Yes, Dr. Abdul Karim Sawai way there for that side for Limbe. He watch the program. So the program don't finish. We could meet up tomorrow same time. different information. Move, go rest. Bye-bye.